Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP is following here the sketched bearish scenario that I put on the chart. I believe it was in the last video, made you aware that there is, due to the lows that are happening here and due to the fact that XRP broke below this low here at 31.7 cents, that therefore the risk that we go lower and make lower lows has significantly increased. It has significantly increased, especially as we cannot easily count this anymore here then as bullish and this as a correction. This is technically, we could still make it work if we have to, but overall I can tell you it is very difficult to make it work, to count this here still as an impulse and this as a wave 2 down. So let's first maybe go again to the bullish wave count, which would need to be adjusted now that this cannot be a wave 2 anymore because it came down too low. I've already explained here sort of my latest view in the Bitcoin video and Ethereum videos, that yeah, with the latest price developments, we just have invalidated some possible bullish scenarios, which again means that this has increased the likelihood for the bearish scenarios to work out. Already as indicated here in the last video, that if we take this swing low out, it will just be very difficult to still make this work from a bullish point of view. Again, similar to Ethereum, there is still a chance. So first I'm going to show you here a possible bullish scenario that could still unfold. Then we're going to take a look at the bearish one, which I'm going to make my well, I wouldn't say I make it my primary because I've never really made the bullish one my primary. Yeah, I've always said we need to break above this wave E high here to unlock higher prices and to relieve some of the downward pressure for XRP. But I'm going to focus more on the bearish one again because this has just become much more likely. What we've done here in the last couple of weeks is really to investigate here possible bullish breakout options. They haven't really materialized. They haven't. Yeah, XRP couldn't even get back above this orange line, which was the 88.7% fib level at 37.5 cents. We didn't even do that. Yeah, okay. So, and therefore, we can see this here now as a clear 3-wave move, actually. There is a chance and a possibility to count this as 5-wave move. There is, and therefore we can do it. And I'm just want to show you just for, you know, so just that you know that this here still could be a bullish pattern, but it is just the question, how likely is it? Yeah, because we can count this as 1, 2, then this would be the wave 3. And then this is the wave 4. It's basically a triangle. And this is the wave 5. Yeah, no, the triangle would be ending here. Yeah. No, here. So triangle, yes. 5-wave move to the upside, possible, yes. In that scenario, we would currently be coming down in a wave 2 here. And again, it shouldn't drop any lower. It shouldn't drop any lower. If we go lower, then even this scenario is getting super unlikely because then we would drop below the 78.6% fib level. Now, we need to acknowledge that the 78.6% fib level for such a wave 2 is an absolute likely retracement level. So we came to that and we now start to see a bit of a recovery. But again, it's way too early to really be happy about it. Yeah. A good indication that indeed wave 2 might be over would be above this swing high here at 33.4 cents. So that could indeed unlock higher price levels then. However, if this does not materialize and we, for example, bounce off that 33.4 cent level and come to the downside and make a lower low, yeah, so basically go below 30.8 cents and stay there. Yeah, this year we came briefly below it, but within probably an hour we recovered again. But if we go below this swing low, in my opinion, it will just get very unlikely that this still is a bullish breakout, and then we can focus more again on the bearish version, which, yeah, is still, of course, you know, absolutely here possible because we never saw bullish price confirmation really above this wave 4 high, that wave E high, yeah, which was so important to get. This is also exactly where Bitcoin, Ethereum did not get above. And from a bearish point of view, and this is getting increasingly likely at the moment, we just have to acknowledge that this down here the low, yeah, could have been, and I will probably, you know, if this materializes further, I will have to adjust this whole wave count a bit, but in this scenario this here, the low would have been a wave 3, yeah, a larger wave 3. So I can just put that on here in different color. 3 here, down here, the low. You know, this here would have been a wave 4 then. And we would then come down here at the moment in a wave 5 that would already be unfolding. This wave 5 would then, yeah, possibly land here, and I said that in the last video, at one of these levels, 18.4 cents or 26. Both valid scenarios, both valid levels, and we need to see to which price, or at which price we see a stronger reaction. Yeah, and where would we be in this wave 5? Well, I believe, looking at this from an impulse to the downside point of view, yeah, here 1, this probably then 2, this is probably currently a wave 3 still unfolding, then there will be a 4 up and the 5 down. Why 3 is still unfolding? Well, maybe it's over here. Let's take a look at the Fibonacci extensions level, because extension levels, because the wave 3 target is often calculated based on what the wave 1 has done. One target is the 1.618 extension here. Now we did break below that, yeah, and then the next likely one is just here, the 200% extension. But wave 3 requirement fulfilled, so this could have already been the turnaround. If it was in a wave 4 here to the upside now, basically like this, then we would expect a retracement in the wave 4. Oops. Of at least 23.6% Fib level. We're nearly there here. Yeah, you can see that. 32 cents. We should reach the 32 cents also here in the bearish scenario. And the ideal level would, however, be that 33-cent level. And here you can see how it all works together. Ideal retracement level for a wave 4 is here the 38.2% Fib level always. This is a 33-cent level. This is also the level where I said if we get above this, it is just less likely that this is the bearish scenario. Then we could assume we might still be in the bullish one. Yeah, here is basically the level all eyes need to be on. Either we bounce off here and get into and continue the bearish one, or we go through here, which will make the bullish scenario more likely. Here, 33 cents, very important to keep an eye on that level. Okay, that is my view about XRP. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.